Hello guys, we just entered another trade today with my strategy, live trade, also on 15-minute US Swiss franc on M15. So here at the open of the new candle, I open the trade. I will put it about $200 profit. I'm satisfied with 200 because today I already made few winning trades like this. You see my video on my YouTube, previous video, maybe 30 minutes ago I published it, so watch the live trade. And now I am entering one more for you, and as you see it is going well. How, why I took this trade, I cannot explain you. You must learn it, guys. If you want to learn it, you must get this strategy from me. Even today, still next 6 hours, it is for free. Go to my webpage and see how, why it is free today. You see, we are almost done, and the trade is over, guys. And practically in 2 minutes we made $200. In 2 minutes, $200. I think that's enough for you. Maybe you will believe that it really works. Go to my webpage, see everything. This is my private strategy, scalping method. You can use it everywhere, any day. 50-minute, 30-minute scalping, easy to use for new traders. If you want to get it free today, go to my webpage, see my special promo. If not, please send me mail. I will give you a price for the strategy. You will get training videos, everything, templates, everything you need to learn it, and in few days you can make money as I am making every day, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.